Okay, good morning, my dear student, and namaste to all my parents from the side of BR Sigdal. As previous class, today also I am presented in front of all my dear student with the topic consequences of First World War. Consequences means the results, because yesterday we completed about the various reasons behind, various causes behind about this happened of this First World War. After completing the reasons of First World War, now today, okay, my dear student, I am presented in front of you with the consequences. Okay, consequences means result. Mostly in examination, my dear student, the questions are asked. Explain any four cause and four results of First World War. Either explain the four cause and four results of Second World War. Okay. After learning this lesson about the First and Second World War, there is another method the question may ask to you in examination. The two destructive war has been caused in this world, in the world history. Is there any possibilities or probabilities, sambhavana to happen the next war, maybe Third World War? How? What's the reasons behind it? List out these results and what are the measures that should be done to stop this next World War in coming future. Like this, my dear student, many times this question has been asked to you all, and there is no doubt such types of the questions are given in this 10 set also, in 30 days practice also. Okay, let's go in our topic, that the consequences of the First World War. Okay, consequences means result. After the First World War, what are the things that has been seen concretely? वास्तवमा फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार भइसके पछाडि विश्वमा के कस्ता किसिमका परिवर्तनहरू, either positive results, either this negative results has been seen. That topic today we are going to discuss. I am going to discuss in front of you, my dear student. Okay, now listen to me here. Okay, the first one is that Treaty of Versailles. Actually, my dear student, Versailles is this palace name. Okay, it lies in France. Okay, after this end of this First World War, the treaty has been done. Okay, at the palace of Versailles that lies in this France. The Treaty of Versailles was not in this favor of Germany. This treaty badly insulted to the Germany. This treaty curtailed all the powers of the Germany, and it is done in a humiliating way, in a humiliation way. अपमानजनक तरिकाले यो ट्रिटी गरिएको थियो, that has been curtail all these powers of this Germany, so that according to this article of this Treaty of Versailles, the article 231, okay, the article 231 of this Treaty of Versailles compelled to this Germany to follow the following terms and these conditions. There is no doubt. This treaty was not in the favor of Germany. Actually, Germany was forced to take all the responsibility of happening this First World War and its loss. Actually, this treaty was dictated, okay, towards this Germany, and Germany was declared this war criminal. Many more nations are directly or indirectly participated in this World War, but only Germany was forced to take the sole responsibility about the cause as well as the consequences about the loss of this First World War. That this treaty was badly cheated. This treaty was done in a humiliating way, okay, to this Germany. So according to the article of 231, okay, my dear student, one thing is there, I must have to say to you all that actually this treaty was designed, yes, okay. Most of the student, I think you don't know that who are the designer of this Treaty of Versailles, okay. So now listen to me here. The French Prime Minister, actual designer, okay, anyhow to make the Germany powerless nation. Anyhow, to make the Germany as a disabled. Anyhow, to make the Germany landlocked. Powerful nation. Such types of this conspiracy has been done by these three nations. They are France, Britain and this America. This has been, yes, shown by their behavior. There is no doubt, my dear student. Okay, so actually this Treaty of Versailles has been, yes, designed by the French Prime Minister. Why French Prime Minister? Because Alsace and the Lorraine has been, yes, captured already by the, yes, Ottoman Bismarck. Yesterday I explained in front of you all. Again today, to make you more, yes, clear about this. Okay, there is the participation of the France also, Britain also and this America too. The now listen me, my dear student, the actual designer of this Treaty of Versailles was French Prime Minister Clemenceau. Remember this name. This will become the plus point to my dear student for this examination. There is no doubt. Okay, the French Prime Minister Clemenceau as well as the British Prime Minister is Lloyd George. And similarly, US President, yes, Woodrow Wilson. These are the three powerful individual the then time where this designer of this Treaty of Versailles to make anyhow the Germany powerless nation, so that this treaty was not in the favor of Germany. It was badly cheated, insulted, humiliated to this Germany. So that now, my dear student, according to this article of Treaty of Versailles, which was just done in this palace of this France, that is known as this Versailles. So it is known as Treaty of Versailles. So according to this Treaty of Versailles, there is mentioned in this article, yes, 231, and Germany was compelled to take the sole responsibility about this war and its loss. And this treaty was dictated towards this Germany, and Germany have to take the sole responsibility. So this is the one-sided, means that Germany was compelled to accept all these terms and conditions according to this article of 231. So what are the things that Germany compelled to accept the terms and conditions? Now listen me, my dear student. The first, Germany lost the 13% of her land. Countryलाई जहिले पनि हर भनिन्छ. Keep it this in your mind, my dear student. Not only this, Germany lost 6 million people. It means that there is great loss from the side of this Germany. First, and second one is that Alsace and Lorraine was given to this France, because this treaty was designed by this French Prime Minister as Clemenceau, British Prime Minister as Lloyd George, and US President as Woodrow Wilson. There is no doubt. So that Alsace and this Lorraine was also given to this France by this Germany. Look, such types of the loss are beared by this Germany. We are now today about the consequences. Now we are today about these results. What happened? Natija, results, Parinam. Today we are discussing. Okay, my dear student, and it is important also. The Treaty of Versailles was the major seat to happen the Second World War. Like this also, the questions are asked already, my dear student. So for that purpose also, this concept is very, very important. So listen me nicely, my dear student. And now listen to me here. Alsace and Lorraine was given to this France, and now third, Germany was not allowed to keep more than 1 lakh soldier. अरूले जति पनि राख्न पाउने, but only Germany is not allowed to keep more than 1 lakh soldiers. It means the humiliation. It paved, Jog Basalio, it paved the sense of revenge. Such types of the act and activities created the sense of revenge. Badala ko bhavana has been emerged in the heart and the mind of the each and every individual of this Germanian people, because it has been done by that way. Okay, my dear student. So that now listen to me here. Germany is not allowed to keep more than 1 lakh soldiers, and yes, all the recruitments were restricted there. Recruitment means that bharti kendraharu. Now Germany is not allowed to increase the number of his armies. Look, what a treaty that has been done. Many more nations are actively, directly or indirectly they are participated, but Germany only have to take the sole responsibility about this First World War and its damage and its loss. What is treaty that has been done by the leader, by the world leader at that time? We can easily imagine that they paved the sense of this revenge for coming days. That's the result of Second World War. Yes or no? Of course, yes, there is no doubt. Due to what? The Treaty of Versailles, yes. And similarly, Germany was not allowed to keep more than 6 warships. Look, Germany was not allowed to keep more than 6 warships, and Germany was prohibited to manufacture these weapons, fighter aeroplanes, tanks, submarines, okay, aeroplanes. So these are these things that should be compelled to accept by this Germany in this Treaty of Versailles. And next one is that Malmedy was given to this Belgium. Saar and Danzig was given to this Poland. Look, means Malmedy, Saar and Danzig belongs to this Germany. Now Germany is forced to give all these area to these related nations by the agreement, by the treaty of this Treaty of Versailles, which has been done in the palace of France, that is known as Versailles. So it is known as Treaty of Versailles. Okay, and Germany was compelled to keep her army 10 kilometer far away, 10 kilometer far away from this Rhineland. Rhineland क्षेत्रदेखि जर्मनीले 10 किलोमिटर टाढा आफ्नो आर्मीहरू राख्नुपर्ने बाध्यता, and whatever this army already deployed on the land of this Rhineland must be withdrawn from that area. जर्मनीले जति पनि आर्मीहरू राइनल्यान्डमा तैनात गरिएको थियो त्यसलाई हटाउनु पर्ने, राखिए तापनि राइनल्यान्डदेखि 10 किलोमिटर टाढा राख्नुपर्ने. Such types of the humiliation, such type of this humiliating treaty that has been done, that insulted badly to this Germany by the Treaty of Versailles. There is no doubt, my dear student, and it is very, very important for examination point of view, either in CENTUP, either in this pre-CENTUP, either in this C examination. Okay, and all the overseas colonies, whatever it is made by the Germany, was now controlled by this League of Nations. The then time a peacekeeping organization was formed after this First World War to maintain the peace, prosperity and the dignity in the world, and it remained only up to 1939. That peacekeeping organizations responsible to keep in its under about all these overseas colonies of this Germany. That this has been done by this Treaty of Versailles. Okay, not only this, there is one great loss that has to that is faced by this Germany, is that Germany have to pay, okay, tons of this, millions of the tons of the gold, as well as 33,000 million US dollar. Look, what a treaty that has been done. Okay, to humiliate, yes, to this Germany, so that Germany now compelled to pay 33,000 million US dollar, and that is given to this allied power. Allied and allies have the same meaning. In some book there is mentioned the allies, in some publication there is mentioned the allied. Both have the same meaning. Okay, the 33,000 million US dollar was given to this allies power. Okay, and not only this, there is the Kiel Canal. Okay, the place name, there is the Kiel Canal Nahar, and that that is the sole responsibility and sovereign yes land of this Germany, but it was open for the all nations for the navigation. That this is the insult, this is the curtailed policy, this is the yes, dictated policy and the humiliation towards the Germany. So now listen to me here, my dear student. When the Adolf Hitler came into the power, he denied. The meaning of denied means that reject. When the Adolf Hitler came into the power, he denied means he reject all the terms and conditions of the Treaty of Versailles, and he started to attack the other nations, and that paved to yes, happen the next war. That war is known as the Second World War. How the question is asked in the examination, my dear student. The Treaty of Versailles was this major seed to happen this next war, that is known as the Second World War. How explain? If the question is asked to you, create the answer. Just now whatever I recited, my dear student, for you all, by learning all these things, by taking all the ideas, you must have to create the answer. Why Treaty of Versailles became the seed view to happen this what? Next war, Second World War. Whatever I explain in front of you right now, that is the answer. Obviously, that is the answer of that question. Yes or no? The first is the Treaty of Versailles. Now, the second one is that formation of League of Nations. The most significant achievement of this First World War is that the birth of League of Nations. The birth of League of Nations, the first umbrella organization, peacekeeping organization that has been formed, that has been established after this First World War, that is known as the League of Nations, which was established on 10th January 1920. Date is very, very important, my dear student. So please listen me nicely. The most significant as well as the outstanding achievement the then time was that the formation of establishment of the peacekeeping organization that is known as the League of Nations. There is no doubt it is established. It was established on 10th January 1920, but it remained till only 1939. Okay, the idea of this peacekeeping organization, was the US President Woodrow Wilson, but he never take the active participation on this organization. That is the mistake the then time about the failure of the League of Nations in later. Okay, so it remained till 1939 only. Okay, actual goal, actual mission, luck and the objectives of this organization is that anyhow to stop this World War, to maintain this friendship, cooperation, perpetual understanding among this what? Nations in all over the world. But only 67 nations became the member of this organization the then time. Okay, the actually this organization was stopped anyhow in coming days, in forthcoming days, to stop the World War, to maintain this friendship, prosperity, dignity among the nation, and provide this help to these needy nations, and if any problem that is emerged in the world, to provide the platform for this negotiation. Okay, and to exchange about this science and technology among these nations. Due to such aim, objective, mission, luck, this organization has been formed, but it remained till only 1939. This is the formation of League of Nations, which was established on 10th January 1920, and its designer was the US President Woodrow Wilson. Second, yes. Now third, loss of life and property. Everybody know that war is not the solution of any problem. Everybody know this. It is this World War means that many women became this widow, many children became this orphans, many people became this nationless, identityless, refugee problem emerged in this world. Map of the world has been changed. Not only this, in this war 65 million soldiers were involved. Among them, okay, 9.2 million peoples were killed. Means that 9.2 people plus soldiers were killed. This is the great loss in this population. And 29 million people were injured or missed. Yes or no? And similarly, modern cities, modern factories, costly bridges, large vessels means large boat, submarines, and whatever these inventions, innovations, whatever the civilizations were achieved by this mankind were totally ruined, totally collapsed, totally destroyed. There is only pain and tears. There is pain in the mind, there is pain in the heart, and there is a tear of these alive people. New and new diseases where they emerge in the world. There is the starvation. So many problems were emerged in this world by this war. Why? Because we are discussing right now about the consequences, results. परिणाम हामी पढिरहेका छौँ अहिले. That these are these results, consequences that has been brought by this First World War. Okay, my dear student, the modern cities, modern factories, yes, costly bridges, large vessels, submarines, whatever the civilization achievement, inventions, whatever we achieved the then time were totally destroyed. Many people became this nationless, identityless. Many women became this what? The widow. Many children became this orphans. Yes or no? It directly hampered to this active population the then time. There is the starvation now. Look, such types of this world scenario, pathetic, miserable conditions were emerged in all over the world. That is the consequences, that is the result that has been brought by the First World War. Now the 4, rise of new nations. More or less the map of the world has been changed. New and new nations were emerged now. Okay, how? Listen me. Czechoslovakia, Finland, Yugoslavia, okay, Albania, such types of the nations were emerged in the map of this world. We are discussing right now about the results of this First World War. So my dear student, Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia, Finland, okay, as well as the Albania, such types of the nations were emerged in this world. And now listen me, Austria and Hungary are the similar nation during this First World War. But after the end of First World War, Hungary was separated from this Austria. Now Hungary became the independent nation. This is the consequences. This is the result that has been brought by this First World War. Okay. And not only this, the Bolshevik revolution, the revolution that has been done by the citizen of the Russia against the Tsar rule, which is also known as the October Revolution. This is also is asked already in this examination. What is October Revolution? So listen me now. The Bolshevik revolution was started, okay, in Russia. It has been started on 25th October to 16th. Yes, 24th is 25th October, okay, to 16th. Yes, October, okay, in 1917 to 1929. This revolution is known as the October Revolution. Actually, this revolution was held by, okay, Vladimir Lenin, Lenin, okay. Vladimir Lenin was this leader of this Russia. He led this revolution against the Tsar rule to make the people free from such types of this Tsar rule, okay. This is the October Revolution. This is also the result that has been emerged in this Russia, okay. And there is the rise of dictatorship. Fascist rule, fascist means Fasivad, that has been emerged in this Italy, that is developed by the Benito Mussolini, and there is this Nazi rule that has been formed by this Hitler, okay, and direct rule that has been started in this Spain by General Francisco. Okay, these are the results that has been seen in the world, because right now we are discussing about these results, consequences of this First World War. And last is that social change. Now the world people realize, yes, many more things uncountable, yes, life and property, yes, modern factories, okay, were destroyed, large vessels were destroyed, costly bridges were destroyed, modern factories, cities were ruined. The world people realize now that war is not the solution. Love, care, affection, help, negotiation, table talk are the method to maintain the friendly relationship among these nations. Such types of this conscious has been emerged in this world leader also, as well as the common people also. That these are the, my dear student, these results after this First World War. But for this examination point of view, you must have to know the 4 causes and 4 results. That is enough for my dear student. Yes. Okay, my dear student, this much for today. Okay, and tomorrow I will present on the same time in front of you all, my dear student. Stay home, okay, and labor hard, develop this caliber, okay, and have a nice day. Thank you very much, my dear student.